this their first time?
First time.
ICBA first time?
First time.
Wow, okay. Good. So, this is the Igad Sheikh Technical Veterinary School. Now we've just changed into a university a few months ago. It started as Sheikh Technical Veterinary School, and the mayor is one of the elders that were instrumental in setting up the school. So the school was set up to offer veterinary courses for our youth. The school started operating in 2005. So we've been operating now for 16 years. And during that period, we have had more than 300 students who have graduated by diploma. Actually, we started as a diploma in animal health, but now we offer a degree in dryland agriculture. So, but starting this year also now we're offering a degree in animal health. So it's a relatively small school, but we focus on quality. So for us, our focus not the big numbers. We're not like other universities elsewhere, you have thousands of students, but us is just a small, because we came from a humble background, and our students, we need to give our students attention, hands-on, and so on. So now, because of that, our students, many of them have progressed. They are working in a lot of important institutions in the country, mostly in the Ministry of Livestock, where they are working with NGOs, some are working with the UN agencies. Some of them have progressed with studies. Some of them are now in the Western countries, we are studying in Europe. Some have, moved to the US, something like that. But generally, that's what we do, what we offer. And now we also offer dryland agriculture. Dryland agriculture, we have now 3 batches of students that have graduated. And now, but also the prospects are good, because the kind of hands-on skills that we provide are quite important in marketing our students. We had also, because of some of the quality of the things we offer, we have had to import some of the things. We get them from outside the country so that the students are exposed to what we would call, world-class kind of education. So basically, that is the brief about the school. And as I would say, the mayor has been one of our supporters, from the beginning, when the school was being set up, when we were acquiring this land where we were. The mayor was part of the community leaders who are able to oversee. And also, we deal with the mayor whenever we have a lot of issues, that affect us. And I would say, whatever challenges we have, we've managed to overcome them. So I think basically this is where we are, colleagues, and if you have any questions, you're welcome.